Hello, today and right now this brow lamination kit. It comes with everything you need to get salon quality results at home. Inside the box you find all the essential solutions, applicators and lifting pads in different sizes to fit any lash or brow shape. It's super beginner friendly and includes detailed instructions, so even if it's your first time, you'll feel confident by using it. Just a quick tip, always do a patch test on your hand or behind your ear before using the products, just to be safe. I start with the first step by applying the cleaner to remove any trace of makeup. Then I apply this patch under my eye, the pink one over one, and I use this pink glue balm. It has such much gentle texture than any traditional glues and holds the lashes in place without any pulling. Then I glue the lashes to the pink pad to hold them in place for the next steps. Then I move on to the lift solution, which softens the lashes and allows me to shape them easily. After a few minutes on, I remove it. Then I continue by applying the fixing lotion to set the shape of my lashes. And lastly, but no less important, I use the essence to keep my brows really shiny and soft. This was the before using all of this kit, and this one is the after. The result, it's so amazing.